What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can have the LinkedIn help me find this job badge on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After typing, you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Click on this website and after clicking, if you are new to LinkedIn, you will see multiple options of sign up with email or via Microsoft or via Google or via Apple or by just simply typing your email and password. You can choose anyone from these and then you can just sign up with your email and password. And after that, LinkedIn will ask you some basic questions. So just simply answer those questions and then you will be able to welcome yourself on the homepage of LinkedIn. So after coming to the homepage of LinkedIn, at the right side, as you can see your profile icon, click on this and then click on view profile. Now, after that, you can add your job experience or you can add your new job by just clicking on enhance profile or you can click on add profile section. But if you don't want to do it, just simply scroll a bit down and then click on add experience. And after that, when you add experience, you can just add the title of your job and the employment time, like full-time, part-time, freelance, self-employed, whatever. And then the company. After that, you can go with the start date, the end date, and then the location. And after when you are done with this, when you click on save, the checkbox will appear. I'll show you with a photo. As you see, this type of checkbox will appear when your position has been added, and then you will see this option of did you find this job on LinkedIn? Then just click on yes, and then here is the checkbox like display. LinkedIn helped me get this job on my profile next to this position. When you just check this checkbox, then you will be successfully able to add LinkedIn helped me get this job badge on your LinkedIn profile. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.